What's up, my Hummin beings? Welcome back to day 3 of the Hummin Being Challenge. So glad you are back here to continue exploring your voice and gaining the practice and the confidence and the skills that you can take into your daily life to help regulate your nervous system, reduce stress, and just feel better overall and enjoy all the benefits of being your own sound healer using your voice. So today we're actually going to switch it up a bit from the humming and we're going to do open mouth vocal toning. And we'll be toning on vowels. So E, A, O are the vowel sounds that I would like you to try exploring throughout today's practice. The difference between open mouth vocal toning and humming, I like to think of it as basically humming is like keeping the sound in and singing to your body because you're keeping the vibrations internal. Vocal toning outward is also really great, and oftentimes I find myself mixing both into a humming session. So I may start with a hum and then morph into an open mouth vowel sound and morph and play around, shifting in and out of different vowel sounds and ending by returning to a hum or something like that. You know, you can really just play around and experiment. But what I'd like everyone to focus on today is playing with those different vowel sounds and noticing again how the vibrations feel different from each other, how the vibrations of the open mouth vocal toning feels different from the humming, how the vowel sound E feels different than OO. They're on opposite sides of the spectrum. Basically, these vowels exist on a spectrum from activating to calming, and the vowel sound E is on the activating side of the spectrum. And as you shift through the vowels, you shift into a more calming vowel sound, which is oo. And then right in the middle, you have ah and o, which are more like midway balance points. They're kind of like half even harmonics, half odd harmonics, which is another way of saying half calming, half activating. The E is odd harmonics, and the oo is more even harmonics. And odd harmonics tend to be more activating, even harmonics tend to be more calming. So just play around with that, you know, like you know, just you can just shift and morph and notice as you're doing that where the sound moves in your body, where you're feeling it shifting around, and just notice the different texture of the vibration and how it feels overall. Notice which vowel sounds feel the best to you, and if you find one that or a few that really feel natural in the moment, hang out on those. That's totally fine. You can't do it wrong. I encourage everyone to just bring a spirit of play and exploration and curiosity as always. And if you haven't already, you can go to my website and download the DIY Sound Healing Starter Kit, which has a ton of really helpful information I've compiled regarding at-home sound healing and just some of the main concepts that I think are really, really important for understanding the power of sound and vibration and how we can bring it into our daily lives in a therapeutic way to reduce stress, regulate our nervous system, and just restore balance and ground ourselves when things get cray-cray. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.